Ashutosh Foundation for the participation and the platform which has been created by Mr. Anil Chaudhary for giving immense knowledge and experience to be shared with all for the benefit of the community as a whole. Coming back to the Ashutosh Foundation, I, as Kuldeep Kumar Mehta, staying in Gurugram, would like to share my experience and my idea, the way I look at the services being provided by Ashutosh Foundation. Basically, we live in a society where it seems there are multiple choices available to an individual for which he has to work to make his living as and grow also mentally and spiritually. In this connection, Ashutosh Foundation is playing a very vital role, that though we find that we have a lot of choices, but actually there are no choices if there is a no pathfinder or there is a nobody to show us the path, which path to follow. In this regard, the Ashutosh Foundation has taken up the challenge by starting few courses on the platform, initially which has been the Vastu and as well as the drawing analysis. Now both of these courses plays a very vital role for the successful living of a person in his surroundings, for managing his surroundings and for upbringing his surroundings. And second drawing analysis course is to understand individual perceptions of the past, present, and future, and to make the necessary amends. So what I want to give the feedback to the regarding the foundation is that the work started by them is going to play a very vital role in the life of individuals who will participate in these courses directly or indirectly. And it is going to affect them not only in the present moment, but in the times to come. So the benefits which anybody can derive from the efforts of the founder, Mr. Anil Chaudhary, through the foundation, is going to be of immense service to the humanity as a whole. So I really congratulate Mr. Anil Chaudhary, the founder of the Ashutosh Foundation, and the key personality who has the first to initiate and start the courses, Mrs. Mrudula Karve of Pune, who has started the drawing analysis, which has taken some of the participants by storm to understand that whether this kind of science exists and exists for the utilization of our life and our children life. So I again congratulate Mr. Anil Chaudhary for not only for these courses, but also for the future courses which he has planned, like the tarot reading and some other astrological applications, the numerological courses, and so many other related occult science courses, which I'm sure with his experience and practical knowledge will be a boon to the people who are going to benefited by this. I will encourage everybody not only to participate and join these courses, but tell their own near and dear ones and friends to be part of this bandwagon. Thank you so much.